In this video, we'll explore what a content delivery network, CDN, is and how it can benefit your online presence. Let's get started. A content delivery network, or CDN, is a system of servers that deliver content to users based on their geographic location. CDNs are designed to improve the speed and reliability of content delivery. By using a CDN, you can improve website performance, reduce latency, and enhance the user experience. A CDN works by caching content on servers located in different geographic regions. When a user requests content from your website, the CDN delivers it from the nearest server. Content caching is a key feature of CDNs. It reduces the distance that data has to travel, resulting in faster load times. Edge servers are the physical servers that make up a CDN. They are located in various locations around the world and store cached content. Load balancing is another important function of CDNs. It ensures that content is delivered from the least congested server, optimizing performance. CDNs are especially beneficial for websites with high traffic, global audiences, and dynamic content. High-traffic websites can benefit from a CDN by reducing load times and improving performance. Websites with global audiences can use a CDN to deliver content to users in different regions with low latency. Dynamic content, such as streaming video and interactive applications, can benefit from a CDN's ability to cache and deliver content quickly. Some well-known examples of CDNs include Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, and Google Cloud CDN. In conclusion, a CDN can significantly improve the performance and reliability of your website, leading to a better user experience. Key points to remember: CDNs use content caching, edge servers, and load balancing to deliver content faster and more reliably. To learn more about CDNs and how they can benefit your business, visit our website or contact one of our experts.